And you don't know her name either, right? The one that's stealing?
No, I don't.
So for sure she just has one thing right now, right? And then you think she has cosmetics?
That I know for sure, yeah, it's just that.
Did you put something in your pocket right now?
My phone?
What else you got in your other pocket?
My earphones?
Okay, cool. You're gonna be detained for now, okay?
Oh wow, okay.
Cool.
On January 16th, 2025, loss prevention personnel at a retail store detained a female suspect for concealing merchandise. A routine warrant check transformed this minor shoplifting case into a custodial arrest. Was this detention legal? And did officers protect constitutional rights?
So what do we got?
I haven't identified her yet. She took this so far. I'm pretty sure she's taken more. That's the only thing I saw.
Where's she at?
She's right here near HBA. She's right here in this corner.
Okay. So where did she put that? She for sure already...
Yeah, she just took the actual dye and she tossed the box over there in toys.
Which one was it? The one with the red or
The
the
beanie.
Beanie.
I know she's Trespass. I don't know her name.
Okay.
I remember because of her tattoo, but I'm trying to get them identified in the market, but.
No worries, we'll just give them like 2-3 more minutes before we... Have they been here or what?
I'd say they came in around 10 minutes ago. So I got 14.
Where did she put the hair stuff?
The conditioner?
Yeah.
It's in her pocket. Yeah, pretty sure she has more stuff. It's just she was in cosmetics in the last time. She was just going at it. I just couldn't see because we don't got a camera.
And you don't know her name either, right? The one that's stealing?
No, I don't.
So for sure she just has one thing right now, right? And then you think she has cosmetics?
That I know for sure, yeah, it's just that. But pretty sure she has more cosmetics on right now.
Wanna wait till she comes, or do you want to just go? That's on that side, right?
This is on GM side, so it'll be on the other side.
Okay.
No gloves.
No. Never mind. No, there isn't. No.
No, there's a third male.
A male?
Yeah, there's a male with them. They also, when they came in, the male split up with them. Did you guys park in the front? Yeah.
Yeah. So is it in that sweater that she just put down, or the one that she's wearing still?
Nah, it's in her pockets.
The pockets in the sweater?
No, like
Oh, her like
person,
jean pockets. You can just shut it down, kick them out. Just,
Oh, she's already...
yeah, just get her on that.
You want?
Okay. Okay, so we'll get her for that one item she has and just kick them out.
Sounds good.
That other girl she takes off. I mean, do you want her to trespass or anything?
I just got this one so far.
Okay. We'll just do it for now.
Sounds good.
Where's she at, right?
Right now, she is middle of the store towards the back of apparel.
Okay. We'll wait till she comes.
She's coming this way, yeah. I think that male's outside looking out, to be honest.
She hasn't put it away, though. Yeah, right?
No, that's still. I haven't seen her drop it yet.
Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, calling you now. Hello.
Sorry.
Alright. Did you put something in your pocket right now?
My phone?
What else you got in your other pocket?
My earphones?
Okay, cool. You're gonna be detained for now, okay?
Oh wow, okay.
Cool. Thank you. Not too tight?
No.
What's your personal stuff from here?
Huh?
We'll just take it outside.
My jacket.
Just your jacket.
Okay, you wanna give me these things in your house? Alright, let's go. 9-0, so give another thing.
I just put it in there real quick.
I'm sorry?
I said I didn't even notice I had to put them in there.
Oh, okay. We'll talk to you in a bit.
Can I call my girlfriend? We were gonna buy a.
We'll do it right now.
Where's she at? 'Cause you guys were together.
Huh?
Where's she at? 'Cause you guys were together.
Well, somewhere in here.
Oh, okay. And that guy? There's no one too? Okay, never mind. Pretty sure that was him.
Is that your homie there? Is that your homie there?
Why are you guys asking me?
Oh, we saw you guys on camera, so we saw her, you know? Okay. Do you have an ID on you or anything?
No.
No. No, just confirm. And just take a seat right there on that bench. On the bench. Okay, so I'm going to read you this just because you're detained, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish, and you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer my questions or make any statements. Do you understand everything I just read to you? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. So we're going to do like a pat-down search because you're technically arrested right now for that shoplifting, right? You don't have anything else on you before we find it? No? Okay. Where did you put the... whatever that is, I don't know if it's like hair dye or whatever. Because you took it out of that box and had it in your pocket.
In the pocket.
In the pocket of... On you or in there?
In the jacket.
Okay. Is there anything else in the jacket?
No.
No? Okay. Did you take anything else before just that? Okay. And we were asking you earlier, that lady, who is she? You said she's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
And then the guy, the one that passed us, I didn't think he didn't know us. He's just a random guy?
Yeah. You don't have anything that's like stick poke damage? What's that tagged to? I don't even know.
Well, she took it off a brush.
A brush?
I have the brush in the basket.
Okay.
This is a Revlon.
Is it that piece or is there more to it?
No, it's fine.
It's just this?
Can you just get me a receipt for now? Because was there anything else?
This is all I saw.
Okay, cool. Thanks, bro. Do you have a phone number, Sarah?
They refused to extradite me.
Yeah, that's probably not. But you still have 3 other warrants.
I have what?
3 other warrants?
For what?
2 for shoplifting, 1 for criminal trespass.
I was just locked up.
Oh, well, that's what they just said on you. We can confirm, and then if they say then they messed up, then we're good to go, okay?
I was
Or
just
give us
in
a
jail.
When?
Like barely like a week and a half ago.
Okay. For what? The same thing?
Well, no.
Okay. These
But
ones
they didn't bring up none of these ones.
On the news, it is showing 4543.
Oh, that's it. Did you get arrested here?
Hmm?
Did you get arrested here? Or where?
I was, they brought me from El Paso.
So you got arrested in El Paso and they brought you here, or you
Yeah.
were arrested here and they took
No, that was in El Paso, and they, Doña came and picked me up.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So I was just gonna give you a citation, but if they confirm these warrants, then we're gonna have to take you to jail, okay? Is there anything that you want to leave with your girlfriend? I mean, we can call her and then leave stuff with her. Your what?
My phone.
Okay. And this jacket, do you want to take it, leave it? Because they're probably just gonna put it in a bag and put it.
I'll leave it.
Okay. And your beanie?
I'll leave it to them.
Okay.
You want a card, Russian?
Yeah.
I'm on 2.
Babe,
I'm good at one then.
they have me fucking arrested up here in the front, so can you come and get my things?
Which one's the front?
Yeah, well, and they're saying that I have warrants, so I don't know.
Oh.
Who's she sending to come pick it up?
Sorry?
She's sending someone to come pick it up? Who is it?
I don't know what country it is.
What's his name? So I can make sure I give it to him. So what? Kevin? And where do you want to go? Your jacket, your beanie, your phone, and your earphone? Okay, I'm gonna take your beanie off, right?
Yeah, 44 is going to come through.
Okay.
Okay, so just to let you know, you're going to be trespassing up here also, okay? So just don't come back or you're going to be arrested.
Alright.
Or cited.
That guy that...
Can I also get the...
See you
license,
enough?
please?
Nothing else in your pockets or anything? Yes, sir. I'm giving her stuff.
okay.
Right, this is the straight stuff. There's her phone, her beanie. Her phone's in the beanie, also her AirPods or whatever. And that's her jacket. You want to keep your phone?
Yeah.
Alright, take the phone up to me.
Alright, you want to take the meeting until don't free parking space, so you start the work on it?
Yeah, just stand up. Taking it to your unit.
Yeah. I think so.
We're gonna go to the left. Yeah, I'll pull up.
Okay, so before they come do your search, look, it's empty, right? So if there's anything back there that shouldn't be back there, it's going to be yours, okay? 1144,
Alright, should I go ahead and step out? We have a female officer here that's gonna search you, okay? We can just face the unit right here.
You got anything in your pockets that's gonna poke me or stick me? Go and separate your feet.
Huh?
Do you have pockets in this one? No.
Maybe gray sweatpants?
Gray leggings.
And gray leggings under that. And then a gray jacket.
Yeah.
And then black and white shoes. She has one gray and color ring. Does she have an earring on the left side?
Negative.
Negative. Negative. And then one black liga. Wait,
Two black
two black
ligas.
ligas. Out in GA.
Welcome.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. There's no jacket on, there's no shirt under.
There's no shirt underneath. Good.
Level 14, Central next one.
Merchant's privilege allows retailers to detain suspected shoplifters without warrants. This common law doctrine, codified across all 50 states, requires 4 elements probable cause to believe theft occurred. Detention on merchant's premise, reasonable time duration, and reasonable manner of detention, direct observation of selection, concealment, and failure to pay establishes probable cause. Courts consistently uphold detentions of 10 to 15 minutes as reasonable for investigation. Officers possess dual arrest authority. First, eyewitness testimony from loss prevention plus recovered merchandise established probable cause for shoplifting. Second, 3 valid warrants provided independent grounds. Michigan v. DiFilippo holds that valid arrest warrants alone justify custodial arrest, regardless of the underlying offense. Miranda v. Arizona requires advisement before custodial interrogation. 4 warnings are mandatory right to remain silent. Statements may be used in court. Right to counsel during questioning. And right to appointed counsel if indigent. Custody exists when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. Interrogation means any questioning likely to elicit incriminating responses. The officer administered Miranda immediately upon handcuffing and before asking about the offense, ensuring all subsequent admissions are admissible. The Fourth Amendment requires warrants for searches, but search incident to arrest is an established exception. Chimel v. California permits officers to search arrestees for weapons and to prevent evidence destruction. The scope extends to the person and areas within immediate control. This search was constitutionally sound. It followed lawful arrest, remained limited to outer clothing and pockets, and was conducted by a same-sex officer. Documentation of the empty vehicle before placing the suspect inside protects against evidence-planting claims. Criminal trespass statutes authorize property owners to exclude individuals from premises. Once notice is properly served, any subsequent entry constitutes criminal trespass regardless of additional criminal conduct. Retailers use trespass notices as preventive tools against repeat offenders. Violation typically carries penalties exceeding simple shoplifting, particularly for individuals with prior convictions. The loss prevention officer receives a B+. He properly observed the complete theft sequence, documented specific merchandise taken, and coordinated with law enforcement rather than confronting the suspect directly. However, he allowed 10 minutes between observation and detention. Best practice requires stopping suspects before they pass the last point of sale to prevent escape and strengthen the legal case. Earlier intervention could have resolved this matter without police resources. Additionally, failure to immediately identify a known trespasser suggests incomplete recognition procedures. The arresting officer receives an A-. He verified probable cause through detailed briefing, administered textbook Miranda warnings with perfect timing, conducted thorough warrant checks, explained all procedures clearly, coordinated same-sex search execution, accommodated property transfer requests, and documented the empty patrol vehicle. His professional demeanor remained constant despite the suspect's frustration. Minor tactical considerations include delaying the warrant check until after extended office time and not pursuing the suspect's companions who may have participated in organized retail theft. The suspect receives a D. She violated a standing trespass notice by entering banned premises, committed theft while facing 3 outstanding warrants for shoplifting and trespass, and demonstrated premeditation by removing packaging to conceal merchandise. This pattern reflects unwillingness to conform behavior to legal requirements despite repeated consequences. Her minimal compliance during arrest, not physically resisting and admitting possession when directly questioned, represents bare minimum civilized conduct. Physical compliance does not outweigh the catastrophic judgment failure of committing entirely avoidable crimes while already facing prosecution. First lesson, retailers must observe complete theft sequences before detention. Selection alone is insufficient. Document concealment, movement through the store, and passing the last point of sale. Stop suspects before exit to prevent escape and establish strongest probable cause. Direct observation eliminates intent defenses. Second lesson, officers must administer Miranda immediately upon custody and before any interrogation. Custody exists when freedom is significantly restricted. Run warrant checks early to clarify arrest versus citation decisions. Delays create windows for evidence loss and tactical vulnerabilities with potential co-conspirators. Third lesson, same-sex searches protect all parties. Document empty vehicles before placing suspects inside. Explain procedures clearly to reduce resistance and litigation risk. Professional demeanor throughout encounters builds public trust and strengthens cases against claims of misconduct. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.